In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert calendar in Google Sheets. Inserting a calendar is quite easy. Here's how to do it. So first, you're going to select the cell or cells that you want to insert your calendar in. Then go to Data. And right here, you'll see Data Validation. If you click on that, this side panel will appear saying Data Validation Rules. Another way to do that is to right-click on the selected cells, go to View More Cell Actions at the bottom, and on the right side, you'll see Data Validation. If you click on that, the same Data Validation Rules panel will appear on the right side. So let's go ahead and add a rule. So you have here your range, and right now the criteria is drop down. So we're going to change that into Valid Date. Let's click on Done. And here you have date is valid for C2 to C24. And if you close that and go to our selected cells, if you double click on it, the calendar will appear where you can just select the date that you want. So let's select right here and double click again and select your date right here. And that's how to insert calendar in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.